Hello everyone, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. And today we are going to be looking at how to download sprays or animated sprays for Team Fortress 2. So first you want to go to gamebanana.com. Then you want to go to Team Fortress 2 up at the top. You want to go to Sections, down, go to Sprays, and then a lot of NSFW stuff, but just ignore that. It's the internet nowadays disgusts me. So you're gonna find one you want. So I'm just looking here. Here's the one I wanted. So then you're gonna click manual download once you find it. And right here, if it says VMT and VTF, you're safe to download it. Oh, come at the bottom. Make sure you have WinRAR. I will link all of this in the description. So then you want to open files. Just drag it over here. And you want to go to downloads, and here you'll find Kirby Jam. Extract. Go to here. You want to just copy. Then you want to go to wherever you have Steam installed. So wherever you have Steam installed, you're going to open this folder. You're going to go to Steam Apps, Common. Then you're gonna find Team Fortress 2. Don't worry about this. This was just for another thing. Go to TF, Materials, VGUI, Logos, and then paste right in here. And then you're gonna want to close both of these, and then I guess I'm not gonna close that for reasons. So you're gonna open Team Fortress 2. You wanna go down here. You wanna click Options. You wanna go up here to Multiplayer. You wanna go here. You wanna click Kirby Jamming. Right there. It'll show up like that. Apply. Okay. Then you wanna go find a game. Community servers, go on the internet, find something. Sure. Join this. So, gonna pick whatever you wanted. And you're gonna walk up to the wall. You're gonna press the default keybind, is T. And look, there's your jamming Kirby. It's really slow, but that's just because stuff. That was it for this tutorial. I'm gonna see you guys.